In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design Facebook ads in Canva that grab attention and stop the scroll. By the end, you'll know how to make clear, on-brand ads fast. Start in Canva and search for Facebook ad. Use a template for a quick start, or a blank canvas if you want full control. Templates are sized perfectly and built with strong composition, so just swap in your content and keep the layout intact. Focus on your core message. Keep text short and punchy, a strong headline, a brief subheadline if needed, and a clear call to action. This creates a visual hierarchy. Your viewers' eye knows where to look first, second, and third. Make the headline prominent, larger than supporting text, and give it breathing room for mobile readability. Next, add high-quality visuals. Sharp photos or short video clips instantly show your offer or mood. If your product is the star, keep the background simple. For lifestyle images, make sure they complement your message, not compete with it. Stick to brand colors and fonts. Use high contrast between text and background so words pop. For busy backgrounds, add a semi-transparent overlay or solid shape behind text. Limit yourself to 2 fonts for a clean, professional look. Add elements intentionally. Icons, shapes, or stickers can highlight discounts or deadlines. Keep animation subtle, gentle fades or simple motion on a button. Too much movement distracts instead of attracts. Speed up workflow with Canva AI. Magic Design generates layout ideas, Magic Write refines ad copy, and Background Remover isolates products for a clean composition. Preview your ad full screen and small to mimic mobile. Check readability, message clarity, and that the call to action stands out. When ready, download or schedule directly from Canva's Content Planner. That's it. Keep your message clear, hierarchy obvious, and effects purposeful. Follow these steps, and your Facebook ads will look professional.